is the ability to align components. After entering design mode, simply select the components you want to align, go to the Design tab, and you can select any of these alignments: top, center, bottom, left, middle, right, or distribute vertically or horizontally evenly. So, for example, if we want to align middles, we just select that, and it's going to align that. As you can see, the alignment is focused on the primary selection. So if you want to change the primary selection, you simply click on the selected component that you want to be the primary selection, and then your alignment will be based on that component. So if I want to align tops to that one, that works. If you want your components to have an even distribution, so let's say I align these, but you can see that the distance between these is different, you can go ahead and select the distribute vertically or horizontally, and it will make the distribution between the components even.